Take a look to this amazing RV on sale. Meet the 2023 Sundance 243SR side ramp toy hauler trailer. With the side ramp for easy loading and a couple of bunk beds in the garage area, you have room for a quad or a couple of bikes and extra sleeping. The main bed is a rear slide-out bed with a couple of couches in front that fold down into another full-size bed. It features a 190-watt solar panel, a big kitchen with lots of drawers and counter space, a fold-away dinette table, a slide-out TV to watch from the rear couches. It features a 3-year structural warranty enclosed and heated tanks, aluminum framing with laminated fiberglass sidewalls, slam latch baggage doors, electric tongue jack, more ride, step above, entrance steps, fiberglass front cap, barreled interior ceiling, and prepped for a backup camera.